how to activate your myWisely card. If you want to activate your Wisely or myWisely card, first of all, download the myWisely application from your app store. Once you've done that, simply open the myWisely app, and right at the bottom you can see the option that says activate Wisely card. So just tap on the activate Wisely card option. On the next page, it will ask you for a couple of other information to enter your card number and log into the account. And just like that, your Wisely account will be successfully activated. And you can also get started to sign up or log into your respective accounts. This way, you should be able to activate your Wisely card right from the myWisely app. I hope that this video was really helpful. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comments below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial. And as always, see you soon in our next video.